If you are thinking about your babies and getting enough moisture in the air, you might want to use a humidifier. This will be ideal to use when sick or suffering from allergies or other issues. Here are just 5 of the top-rated cool mist humidifiers you should consider applying for your kids and babies. There are many products available to choose from best humidifiers for babies, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best humidifiers for babies from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Baby Move Hygro Plus Cold Mist Humidifier. The Baby Move Hygro Plus Cold Mist Humidifier has a sleek and unique design, with the mist opening tilted slightly on the top. This will also be very easy to program, and you need to turn it on once you have your settings, including the humidity level, where you want them. This also works as a night light, and 7 different colors depend on what your child wants or what you think is the best. It is very quiet, and there is even a small container right under the output for the mist, where you can add essential oils. It is perfect for rooms up to 220 square feet, and it doesn't use a filter, which makes it a breeze to clean up, and you can use the nozzle to change the mist level. The LCD is simple to use, which means you can see the current temperature and humidity level of the room you're in. Number 2. Crane Adorables Ultrasonic Cold Mist Humidifier. For those who want something fun for your child's room, then an adorable ultrasonic crane cold mist humidifier will be perfect. It comes in a huge array of animal shapes like a frog, bumblebee, cow, duck, elephant, fox, hippo, ladybug, and much more. The tank on this machine can hold 1 liter of water, it can handle a room of around 500 square feet, and it doesn't use filters. It can run for around 24 hours, which means it will run throughout the night without making odd noises to wake you up. A tank on the bottom is detachable with a removable cap and level sensor that allows you to clean the entire base level thoroughly. It will also prevent any bacteria from growing, and it is ideal for the room of a baby or small child. Number 3. Frida-Baby 3-in-1 Humidifier with Diffuser. The Frida-Baby 3-in-1 Humidifier with a diffuser is a stylish and compact machine that you can place anywhere in the bedroom or your home. It is a humidifier, diffuser, and night light, making it perfect for your children or babies who need a bit of light at night. It uses ultrasonic vibration to create a cooling mist that can run for around 12 hours, and you can easily change the amount of mist by turning the knob. It is excellent for a room of 320 square feet in size, and it has a half-a-gallon tank, which can also be used for adding essential oils. This would turn the humidifier into a diffuser, and there are various colors you can use on the machine. The machine's great safety feature is that when the water is nearly empty, it will shut itself off, so you don't need to worry. Number 4. Cadram Q Diffuser Ultrasonic Cold Mist Humidifier. This is a Q diffuser and cold mist humidifier shaped like a whale, making it fun to use. The Cadram Q Diffuser, an ultrasonic cold mist humidifier, can hold around 180 milliliters of water, and it doesn't make any noise, which is ideal for a child's room. This can also be used with essential oils, which allows it to spread the scent around the room, while giving extra water to the air. 9 colors are only in the middle part of the machine, and you can choose what one you want by pushing the on and off buttons. When the water runs out, the machine will shut itself off within 5 seconds to prevent severe damage. It also uses ultrasonic technology to keep it on the quieter side, which means it is ideal for your office or even your baby's room. Number 5. Levoit Humidifier for Bedroom. Ergonomic design with super easy maintenance is what the Levoit humidifier has to offer. The comfortable rectangular unit consists of a large 4L water tank that operates efficiently for 20 to 22 hours. The control panel offers one-touch control of mist modes and power on-off. This ultrasonic humidifier is one of the quietest humidifiers, with a maximum noise level of a mere 30 decibels. Moreover, the unit features a unique outlet valve technology, a dry burn protector, and a watertight protection design for safety purposes. The rotatable 360O nozzle sprinkles mist to areas as large as 376 sq feet. The unit also consists of an aroma pad to add essential oils. Besides, cleaning the unit is easy and convenient, thanks to the wide tank opening. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.